What's going on, YouTube? You're watching EXQUISITEMAD. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today we're going to be looking at Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restore. Original all-in-one trim cleaner and protectant, made by Mothers. Instructions on here says shake well before and during use. Finish should be clean, dry, and cool. Treat one area at a time. Do not apply to hot surfaces. It's not hot outside right now where we are. Dispense a liberal amount of trim and plastic restore to a soft, clean microfiber terry cloth, sponge, or suitable applicator. Working in sections, massage the product thoroughly into the surface. Allow to penetrate for a few minutes with a separate clean microfiber or terry towel. Thoroughly buff all surfaces. Should streaking occur, additional buffing may be required. Heavily stained or soiled surfaces may require an additional application. Okay, so real easy. This is a clean microfiber, and just got out the wash and dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna put it right here on this area of this trim. And let me move the camera just a wee bit here. I'm gonna adjust it, bring it up to level. There we go. So, I'm gonna go ahead and apply, but looking at this, it looks like there is a safety seal. I'll go ahead and get that off. I'll open this up. Going to apply just a little bit. That's what it looks like. I'm going to set this up here. We're going to apply it liberally. Going to buff it in. And it looks like what's happening is that it's absorbing into the plastic. Looks pretty good. See this? And I'm going to come around, do this trim here. A little bit goes a long way from what I could see. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to fold the towel over into a dry area, and then it says to buff off. I'm not having any problems with it streaking at all, so that's a great thing. So overall, this product looks great. Let me go ahead and show you here. Product looks great, looks fantastic. Bring it right here. Let you see. Looks fantastic. So set the camera back up here on the tripod. All right. So that is Mothers Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restore, made by Mothers. Looks like a good product. Looks like a great product. Easy to apply, easy to use, simple. It looks great. So hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.